Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's debug the code. Today we are going to build a special feature for our collection card, for our product card, which is available on the collection page. Like you can see on my screen, where when a user take the cursor on the variant, it shows the related image. This is the feature which is not provided by any Shopify team by default. So we are going to build this feature in our store. Let's see how we can do this. For this, we have to first create meta fields related to the variants. Since this feature relates to product variants, we will create the meta fields at the variant level. Here we are targeting the color swatch only. Now some products are of single color and few are the multicolor colors. Like we can see here, this is a gray color which is in the single color. This is white, but this product is available in two different colors, which is white, mix of white and gray. Here the black and gray. So color swatch do not have any ability to add multiple color in a single swatch. For this we are going to use the image. Now let's see how we can implement this. So since, as I have already mentioned it, the feature belongs to the product variant, so let's create the variant meta field. Go to setting, custom data, variants, add definition. The name we are going to choose is variant color underscore code. This meta field we are going to use to put where we want to put swatch color. So I'm just taking it as a single line text. You can also take the color swatch here. So you can also select the color, type of color, so that a color can be easily picked. Save. As I told you, some products have multiple color. For that we cannot use color meta field. Therefore we will create another meta field which will have the variant image URL. Means whenever we need two different kind of color in a single product, we will create the image for that and upload it into our file system and provide the link here. So I'm selecting it as a URL and save. Now our variants meta fields are ready. We have to go to the product, select the product. You can see bulk edit. Now we have to select the variant and fill the value. Now if I have only color, like you can see it's a green color, I have to just select the color. Here it's kind of blue. It's kind of pink. I'm not exactly matching this, as we are just creating the flow to illustrate you how to implement this. Okay. And the last one is so if you have a Chrome extension like I have, you can just copy the color and paste it to match the color with this. Second one, hope you are getting this. So now we have done with the selection and save. Now we will go to the theme, online store, edit. Now we will open the card hyphen product. As you can see in the page, so sequence is heading, rating, then variant, then price. So now we will find out where the price code is lies. So you can see this is the code where the price is. So we have to just add the code here. Now we will paste the code here. I have already done my coding part and including this. The file name is grt-variant-swatches. I am pasting the code. So this code you can find in our article page. The link will be given in the description so that you do not have any issues in finding the code. Make sure the meta field names should be the same which you are using. If you are not exactly matching the name as per our requirement, as per we created. Now we have included this file here. We have put a condition here to enable this feature for only those product who has the color swatch. That means we are doing this just because maybe some product do not have colors, therefore we are targeting the color swatch. So the product contains the color swatch will only so this code is available to those product only which has the color swatch as a tag. Now let's see what else we are doing. We are rendering the GRT variant swatches. I am creating a new variable named def image which contains the default image of the product and the variant list. Now let's see if it is work or not. You can see you are not able to see this color swatch here. It is because, as I have already instructed here, that product must have the tag name color swatch. Now let's add this in the tag and save. The tag we have already added. Now it takes a few seconds to reflect the code. To implement this, let's open the file card-product. We have to make 2-3 changes here. One, we are putting the class name. We will find the section card-product.feature.media_media. We will add class with name featured media image. By default you will not find by default there are no classes. We have added manually one, and this second class to the second one. This is the section where we have a feature that whenever you hover the product card, you can see the second image. So we have added this class to the second image. we have added our liquid code here, which will check that products contains the color swatch, and our liquid code which will read our meta fields, variant meta fields, and assign it to product. Let's open this file here. This is the file. You do not need to worry about this code. We will provide this in our article, of which link you can find in our video description. Apart from the liquid file, we also have modified the CSS. So we have added this code in the base.css so that it data, but this name can be varied based upon the theme. Few themes have the name with the theme.css. Please check your theme and the name of the CSS which is globally available. Third is the JS one, which will work whenever you are going to hover the color swatch. We have a global file with name global.js. At the very end of this file, we have added this script code. These all code will be there in the article, so do not worry. Let's see if this feature is available to our store or not. Here is our home page. This is the product where we have implemented this. Let's refresh this. You can see the feature is not available as we have not. Let's see the product page. Why feature is not there? You can see we have not added the tag name color underscore swatch. Let's select it and save. Now let's preview the store. Open. See, you can see the swatches now. Now you can see the color swatch available on our product card. Now when you hover it, you can see the related product variant image is visible, and if you out from the card, you can see the default image. So that's all for now. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel if you like the video.